Hi guys, how we doing? I know that this might be a bit late. I think it's the 22nd of April, but my tomato plants are not the best. The Crimson Crush, the compost that I used, I don't know, they don't look, I'm not happy with them. So as I said, it might be a bit late, but I've got 6 seeds left. I'm going to re-sow them to see if I can get them any better. This is different compost. The cherry tomatoes that I planted in this seem to be doing well, and the marigolds that I planted in this sprouted up within 3 days. So I don't see anything wrong with this compost. I don't think anyway. So I'm going to sow these. I've got 6 left, so I've got 6 here, and in these pots here I'm going to do my cauliflower, prick them out and put them on. So I'll get on with this. Excuse the fact that there's nothing on the screen at the moment. I'm trying to open this bag. Here's my tweezers. Okay. Got them out, I think. Is that them all? I think that's them all. So we will pick that up and put it there. Sorry, you can't see that. It's really bad trying to do this through a phone. It's the phone I'm using to record my videos, as I don't have a decent enough camera. Okay, and then I'm going to just, if I can find it, found it, just very gently poke them underneath. And cover them up. And I'll give them a good watering and put them under the grow lights. Well, I'll put them on the heat first, and once they start sprouting, I'll put them in the grow lights. Okay, then very gently just firm them in. And hopefully we'll get 6 better plants than I've already got. Okay, next I'll put them on the heat. And next what I'm going to be doing is, actually I think I need to move these. Give me a wee second. Okay, you can see what I'm doing now. Basically what's in this tray is, this is cauliflower, because most of my cauliflower get ravished by slugs. And in here I've got some Brussels sprouts. I don't know if you can see, they're just coming up because they get ravished with slugs. But I've got protection now, so I'm hoping that they survive this time round. Basically what I'm going to do is get my trusty teaspoon and my trusty Sharpie. Actually these might be too small. I'll check and see. Or maybe not. And then, I don't know, can you see that? Yeah. There, very gently just put them in there and press down. I've already marked all these with cauliflower on them. and then it will get watered in. Yep, not ready for it sitting there, I think. Yep. Now I've got some spare 30-litre buckets because they were on a deal, so I purchased them. Now what I'm wondering is, would I be able to get 2 plants in them, i.e. 1 cauliflower and 1 broccoli? Because I don't have that much garden space to grow vegetables in. So do you think I would be able to get... Right, I've got a bed there that I'm going to have brassicas in, so I'm sure I could just, we'll class it as an experiment, and we'll see if we can get a cauliflower on one side, a broccoli on the other side. I'll tell you what, I managed to get this compost sieved before I used it, and it was much better doing this with sieved compost, believe me. Okay, and one more. Now these are the ones I've got out in the low tunnel, sorry. Is it cauliflower or broccoli that I've got out there? So this is like, what do you call it? Succession sowing. So these will come up. These will be ready later than the ones that's already out there. So blah blah blah. So I mean, we love cauliflower. We love broccoli. So that's why I'm more concentrating on cauliflower and broccoli. But I will admit, last year I tasted, for the very first time, homegrown beetroot. And oh my god, wow. So there's plenty of beetroot going in. Cauliflower, broccoli. I've got a couple of cabbage in. We do eat cabbage. Not a lot, but we do eat it, but it's absolutely brilliant in soup. Okay, right, sorry, I'm getting off track here. Okay, that's my 7 cauliflower. I'll be doing something very similar with the Brussels sprouts when they come up. And that's it for today. Okay, thanks for watching.